Hello, this is Manuel again with another video. Uh, Today I'm gonna be taking the fluids out my differential, my diff, so I can go get it welded. I got a good price on where to go get it done. That way I have what is it called? The welded diff, and I can do burnouts or drift with both tires. Uh, Nothing much, just a little video showing you guys that, and then I'll be showing how I install it and how I take off the old one. That will be tomorrow, but it'll come out in the same video, so the video is long enough. But yeah, that's all I wanted to show. As for my engine, it should take a little bit more for it to get my car running. I'm still waiting to complete my exhaust, paint the intake manifold, paint the valve covers. Yeah, it's gonna last a while. Stay tuned. Hello, welcome to another video. Today I went to go get my diff welded by some guy that I know. He did a good job. I didn't show the process of the weld or anything because I forgot, but I'm taking a video now. Hopefully, here it is. See the welds. I went with the welded diff. It just seems much better for drifting and burnouts. I have over here the 50Z one. That's VLSD, but I didn't want to go with that one. I will be installing it right now, and hopefully soon I get my engine so I can show you how good it runs, how it does good burnouts. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll be showing more stuff and get my exhaust. I don't know if I show this. If you guys see in my other videos, these mirrors. I have like these, I don't know what they're called, like Ganadors. They're nice sporty mirrors. They make the car look really nice. I like them. Makes the car look really, really nice. But yeah, that's it. I tried clearing my headlights. Did an alright job. I need a better clear coat, not the cheap kind. You can see it cracking. I'll be trying my best to do it a little bit better. But yeah, here it is. Both sides are welded, ready to go, ready for drifting. May I see someone in Phoenix at the track and see my videos. Thank you for watching. I'll show it, install it right now. Thank you. Hello, back with another video. Today I'm gonna be showing you all how I do it with this. I'm gonna be putting all the gear oil in it right now. Putting it all together. Just watch me do it. This is just a video I added to the other videos the next day. Then I got a tripod. Thanks to my brother Eric. Shout out to him for letting me buying that for me. So I could keep recording and keep making more videos showing me building my car. That's pretty much it that I wanted to say and show. Peace out. There's a welded diff installed. I just need to put the axles on, the drive shaft, and it's good to go. Hopefully soon I'll show you how good the welds are. Some burnouts, some drifting. I'll be having some fun. I'll be showing all that. But there it is. That's pretty much it for this little video.